Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Elaina. If you're new here, today is the day, y'all. Today is the day. I am shutting the garden down. All right. I've had a really good run this year. Super excited about everything that has happened this year. I've learned a lot about gardening and what I can do in a garden. And so it's come time now for me to go ahead and shut the garden down because I'm not out here anymore. It's been cold, really cold in the mornings. And your girl don't like the cold. And so, yeah, I'm not going to be out here. And so I just want to go ahead and harvest the rest of what I can. I want to put stuff away so it doesn't get messed up during the cold season, cracked and all of that. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, just kind of cleaning up the garden and harvesting whatever else I can. So let's get an overview of what needs to be done. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. It's looking really sorry these days compared to what y'all saw, all the lush life that y'all saw in the spring. But yeah, it's cold. It's getting ready to be winter. The weather has changed, and yeah, it's just it's time for me anyway. I am not a fall and winter gardener at all. I can't be out here. So let's take a look. All right, I know y'all kind of saw some of this from my collard green video because originally I had anticipated cleaning up then, but I was out that day and I came home late. I plucked the collard greens or harvested the collard greens, and look, and they're growing back. It's crazy. So all I was able to do that day was pretty much harvest those collard greens and then prepare them for Thanksgiving. So that's all done now. But yeah, this is all that has to be done. Let's take a walk inside. This table, I'm going to put everything in this table away. All right. You see the collard greens, they're trying to come back. The broccoli is still over there doing its thing, but I don't know if I'm really going to be getting any broccoli off of it. So I'm just going to let it continue to do what it's doing. My peppers seem to still be growing. And oddly enough, I have not given anybody any food in a really long time. So I guess the soil, they're just still eating off of the nutrients of the soil, that I put together when I originally planted them. So, it's good to know that my soil's good. Y'all, my okra plant, look at how tall that is. It's over 8 feet tall. Still going. I don't know if those okra up there are going to make it. They're pretty small, but we'll see what happens. Here's some peppers. Jalapenos as well. Stuff is still flowering. Okay. Tomatoes are still doing their thing. There's the apple tree. Apple tree is really doing well. The leaves have changed color. Looks so pretty. This guy is dead or dying. There's a nice looking eggplant. We'll have to get him off. Tomato plant looks like it's dying. All of them. Oh, look at all those tomatoes down in there. Wow. Gonna have to grab those. Here's the broccoli. Broccoli is like super, super strong. And the rest of the collards. Got tomatoes on the ground. This is my snow peas. My snow pea plant. Nice. It's actually thriving. I thought it was dying, but it's actually thriving. This was a squash, as you can see. Trying to do something down there, but I don't know. I'm just gonna, like I said, let this stuff continue to do what it's gonna do. Looks like some corn is ready to be harvested. Okay, that's my lemon balm right there. Still got that one lonely onion over there. The lemon trees, I don't know, they didn't really do too well. That's as far as that one got, and the other one stayed really little. So, got a little bit of stuff going on. This is another squash. This was what? Spaghetti squash. And it was trying to do something. As you can see, all the little flowers on there, but it's going. It's going. This corn did not make it. Neither did this one. I mean, those are really tiny. I don't know. I'll take them off, but they didn't do anything. Our little melon patch did not do anything. That melon has been there for forever. And I see there's another one inside the bucket there, but it didn't do anything. So all right, y'all, my neighbor's dogs are like the worst. Okay, all right, this is what's going on in here. My cilantro is finally dying off. Peppermint still looks to be doing well. Oregano is dying as well. So, you guys, we're going to leave this stuff in here like how it is, and I will revisit everything in the spring. I'm just going to let stuff die off. Just going to let it die off. And then as I turn around, this is all the food that I wanted to keep away from the elements and my diatomaceous earth. So we'll make sure we pack that stuff away. We'll make sure we'll pack this stuff away. I just don't want it to be sitting out here in the element. So yeah. All right, you guys. And that is pretty much it for the garden. My forest is gone. They have, and when I say they, I mean we have some construction workers that have come and they have taken the forest away, y'all. Check it out. Completely gone. And I'm gonna insert some footage so y'all can see when they first came and how it looked. It looked like King Kong or Godzilla or somebody was in our backyard ripping trees down. So I'll insert some footage so y'all can see of that. And then just basically what the land looks like behind the fence. I don't know if you noticed, but we have replaced the door with just fence now. So we don't go out there anymore. Like I can't, dump my my soil, and then like when I was trimming stuff off, I would kind of throw stuff back into the forest. But I can't do that anymore because I don't have a gate anymore. So, and then we just did that for security purposes as well. I don't know what they're planning on building back there, but whatever they build, or if it's a subdivision or something like that, definitely don't want people to have easy access into my yard. So we had to go ahead and change that out. So let me go ahead and start putting stuff away, you guys, because I am going to be running out to the store to do some Christmas shopping. But I did want to, get this stuff put away. So I will let y'all see everything when I'm done. Tearing down the backyard, y'all. My whole forest in my backyard is going. Can y'all see the trucks and stuff back there? They are, look at this. like King Kong or Godzilla is in my backyard. They're taking the trees. Y'all. They have to go in the house because the wood chips. Do y'all see this? They are in my backyard. Y'all, we have only been in this house a little over a year, okay? These forests have been here forever. And now, like, as soon as we move in, like a year, so after a year, they're tearing down our forest. No, we love to look at that forest. Like, the colors change in the fall, and the leaves are so pretty and everything, and just it's so lush, like in the spring and summer, and it was like a privacy type of thing going on for us, and they're just tearing it down. They're making a new subdivision. Alright, you guys, I am done for all that I'm planning on doing. I'm going to leave these peppers on here for a little bit longer because they're actually doing their thing here. So I'll probably maybe give them another round of food, maybe tomorrow, and some water. I picked off all the tomatoes that I wanted to take. These are like have blossom end rot. And yeah, I'm going to just leave those. I'm going to just let everything die so it'll be easier to clean up, hopefully. Took all the tomatoes off of here that I wanted and that were in the bucket and on the floor, on the ground rather. I need to get these snow peas. I didn't grab them. I'm gonna grab them really quick. And yeah, I shut the greenhouse down and took that honeydew off. I'm gonna leave the corn actually. I'm gonna see if it's gonna maybe get a little bigger because they seem like they're doing something, but I'm just gonna leave them for now. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. That is pretty much it. The table is clear. Let me show y'all the harvest. Okay, this is the harvest that we got. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these green tomatoes. We don't generally eat green tomatoes, so I'm going to have to look up a recipe on what I can do with green tomatoes. So, that is that. There is my son over there. There is Frappy doing his thing. This guy is taking Instagram pics, I'm sure. So yeah, you guys, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Yeah, this is pretty much my last gardening video of the year. I want to thank y'all for just rocking with me on this journey, y'all. It was super fun. It was definitely a learning experience. I guess I'm now a gardener, for real. So I can't wait to see what the spring holds, and you know, my new season of crops that I'm gonna have. So, well, not crops because I'm not a big farmer, but you know, my little garden, what I'm gonna be doing next year. I know what not to plant. I know how many of things to plant now. So yeah, it's definitely been a fun experience. Thank you to all the gardening friends that I've met. Hope y'all stay in touch. We'll be back next spring, y'all. Definitely. We will be back next spring with the whole new garden of food. So, but let me back up here just a little bit. Hopefully y'all can see what I was talking about behind the fence here. If not, I'll insert some pictures, but take a look. So yeah, totally decimated the forest. I hope that I will still have some garden friends next year, you know, as far as pollinators. I really hope I do. I hope they can come from like the forest beyond and just fly over here. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching the video. I love and appreciate you all, and take care.
We'll be chilling and having a good time.